Hello everyone, myself Amani Siddiqui, final year BAMS student studying at SSAMC Haveri. Topic name Shampakadi Niruha Basti. Guided by Dr. Sangmesh Sir, Dr. Rahina Ma'am, Department of Panchkarma. Reference Shushruta Samhita Chikitsa Sthana 38th chapter Adhyaya name Niruha Krama Chikitsatam. Introduction. Shampakadi Basti is one of the Niruha Basti that has been mentioned in Shushruta Samhita. It is one of Vatahara Basti. Ingredient. द्रव द्रव्य मधु सैंधव लवण स्नेहा. कल्का द्रव्य पिपली शतपुष्प प्रियांगु मुलैठी रिबेर रसांजना इंद्रएव नगरमोठ. क्वातद्रव्य शंपक एरेंडा पुनर्नवा अश्वगंधा बिल्वा अग्निमंथ शोनक पाटल गंभारी बल रासना गुडुचि देवदारु मदनफल. पूर्वकर्मा preparation of basti dravya, preparation of patient. Preparation of patient. Svedana and Abhyanga is done. Laghu, asnigdha, aruksha ahar is indicated. Method of preparation. Madhu is mixed with Sandhava Lavana and Mardana is done until they mix up properly. Sneha is added to the mixture and thoroughly mixed. Kalka is added and mixed. Finally, Kashaya is added to the mixture. Mardana is done until they form a homogeneous mixture. Basti Dravya is ready to be administered. Preparation of Basti Dravya. Kashaya is prepared by taking Dravya 1 pala each. Kalka is prepared by mixing all drugs and are mixed well. A homogeneous mixture is prepared, warmed slightly and administered as enema. Pradhana Karma. The patient is made to lie down on the table in the left lateral position with the left leg extended and the right leg flexed at the hip and knee. The buttocks and anal region should be exposed. The anal orifice of the patient and tip of the rubbered catheter is lubricated. Then the rubbered catheter is generally inserted into Guda in the direction of Prushtvamsha. While inserting, hand should be steady and it should neither be too fast or not too slow. Pashtat Karma. When the urge of defecation is strongly manifested, the patient is allowed to expel the medicine. Pathya Ahar to be followed. Madhura Amla, Lavana, Rasatmaka Ahara, Snigdha Guru, Ushna Ahar is indicated. Indication. Prishta Uru Trik Shula Ashma Veen Mutra Anila Sanginam Grahani Maruta Arshagnam Rakta Mamsa Balapradam. It specifies Prushta Shula, Uru Shula, Trik Shula. It is useful in Ashmari, useful for retention of Veen, Mutra, Anila, Grahani, Arshogna, increase Rakta Mamsa and Bala. Importance. Shula, etc., which mainly pacifies the Prushta Trik Uru Shula and reduces symptoms like stiffness and numbness by its Vata Kafahara property. Thank you.